Father, I want to hammer. I want to spoil my mother. I want to shower your blessings, shower your blessings. Father, I want to hammer. I want to spoil my mother.
Honestly, I'm a little nervous because I haven't been on camera in a minute, so we just gonna have to bear with me because your girl is mad nervous. Let me drink some. I'm having a smoothie. Okay, so do not mind these lashes because I've had them for a minute and I didn't feel like putting on my other ones. Don't mind these lashes if they're looking a little crazy, but I went ahead and did my eyes off camera because that's not what this video is about. If you want to see a more detailed video on how I got my eyes to come out like this, then just let me know and we can get it popping. I've been seeing a lot of buzz about this foundation and we are going to try it out for ourselves and we're going to see what it's really about. Now, I am not a makeup artist. I don't want to be a makeup artist. I'm not claiming to be a makeup artist. That's not my career of choice. I just enjoy doing makeup. I enjoy the whole process of doing makeup. So if you came to this channel thinking I was a makeup artist, you're misinformed. But if you came to this channel because you like makeup as well and you want to, you know, have fun with your girl, then you came to the right channel. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Like I told you guys, I bought this from Ulta. It retailed for about $40. I think it was about $40. I am in the color Hazelnut. I don't even know if you can see that. I'm in the color Hazelnut. The box says Born This Way Luminous Oil Free, which I'm a dry skinned person, but we'll see how it goes. I got myself a little oil that I'm gonna put on my face before I record because I am a dry face person. It says undetectable, medium to full coverage, and yeah, my eyelashes look a little crazy because these are old ass lashes, but whatever. Anyway, first I'm gonna go ahead and wipe up all this excess from doing my eyes, and then we're gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, so I went ahead and wiped all that stuff off my face. Now I'm gonna put some oil on my face because, like I told y'all, I'm a dry girl and I can't be baking. Right? I can't be baking and setting my face looking all dry because it's gonna leave patches. Now this oil is thick as hell, so I'll leave the information for where I got this oil down below, but it is thick as hell. So if you're gonna get it, my friend, 2 drops is enough unless you have a big ass face or a big ass forehead. I have a small face, small ass forehead, so 2 drops is really enough. 2 drops will really carry you the whole way there. If your beauty blender is dry and dirty, I don't know what you're doing at this point in your life. Like in 2019, y'all still using dirty ass beauty blenders that are not damp. Get your life, my friend. Get your life. Okay, my lips were looking a little crusty, so wow, now my hands are wet. Devil, is that you not wanting me to prosper? I'm gonna put 2 pumps on my. Actually, fuck that. I'm going to just drop this shits right there. Now I want a full coverage beat because I'm trying to really see what this foundation can do. Let me lift up my wig so I can get my forehead, because that's not a good look, sis. That's not a good look. Get my chin, and there we go. I literally picked this color blindly, and from what I can already tell, I like the undertone that it has, but I don't think it's quite my shade completely, but it's finessable. Now the shade below was too light. It was way too light, and the shade, what the fuck? The shade below, what the fuck? Oh, it's a hair. The shade below was way too light and the shade above was way too dark. So this was the perfect little shade, and I'm not mixing shit. Not for $40 a fucking bottle. I'm not mixing nothing. So, but it's finessable. Now I told you I'm looking for a full coverage beat so you can see what it is, what the happy is really about. Now it is silky. It's mad silky. I'll tell you, Give it that. It's mad fucking silky. My hairline is definitely gonna have foundation in it, but that's okay. Let's put this bitch on. Put this bitch on. Put this bitch on. Now you can see that there's a silkiness. It says luminous. It says luminous, and this hoe is mad luminous for a fact. Now, as it oxidizes, it turns more into my shade. I'm honestly fucking obsessed. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Now I'm gonna go ahead and highlight with the regular ass highlighter because Too Faced wasn't about to get all my coins. No, they were not. So this is the Maybelline highlighter. I'll leave it down below. Perfect replica for the NARS foundation. So I'm just going to highlight, okay? But honestly, I'm really fucking obsessed with the foundation. Let's see how this highlight holds up, okay? Now I'm just gonna go ahead and bake. I don't really bake, I just set and I keep it pushing because, like I said, for the 1000th time, I have super dry skin, and I don't want to take away from the luminousness of the foundation. Set it up in this motherfucker, set it up in this mother. Reminds me of is that Boosie Badass? Set it off in this motherfucker. Put it on. Now, would it be a makeup tutorial without a snap? I have to put my hair underneath take my hair out. You can stay. And we're baking. What's up? What's bopping? If you haven't subscribed, what are you doing? I'm just gonna grab a random ass brush. Oh my gosh, it's starting to get dark. Let's wipe this bitch off. That's it, man. Now I'm just going to contour my face. Add some dimension in my life. I'm gonna go in with the Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe. I'm using the cucumber and green tea one. The rose, is it rose gold? The rose one is really my favorite, but I was like, let me be a little bit more adventurous. So I'm just gonna spray my whole face before I highlight, just so my highlight can come and really show some respect to you niggas, okay? I'm gonna go in with this BH Cosmetics fan brush while it's setting. I'll put it right there. Now my skin is already glowing, honestly, truly, so I'm not trying to blind motherfuckers, you know? I'm not trying to blind people. And then I'm gonna take the opposite end of the brush and I'm gonna go in to this color right here. What is that? I'm gonna go into bronzed with the opposite end and I'm gonna put that under the high points. I'm gonna go in with another fan brush that has no product from the same collection as the previous brush that we used to contour. And I'm just going to blend because we want to blind people, but we don't want to look stupid. I'm gonna go with my favorite tear duct highlighter. Tear duct highlighter. Is that how you say it? I'm just gonna say tear duct highlighter. That's what we're gonna name this shit. Now the key is not to go on here. The key is not to go on this side with the tear duct highlighter, okay? Because look at the difference. Okay, so I'm gonna go right here where there's literally just product, and then I'm gonna put that on my eye. I mean, it's something there, but it's not really tantalization. So I'm gonna go in with the glittery part and you'll see the difference. And I'm gonna tap, because if I rub, it's gonna end up like this part, and I'm gonna have no highlight. And then we're just going to put that there. Mumiana, do you see the difference? Did you see the difference? Seriously, guys, like, wow. Using ColourPop, and I'm trying to decide between Limbo and Anyways. Ooh, Anyways, I like you. I like your name, so I'm gonna go with Anyways. Anyways, if you leave me to destruction to Tapigana on some real shit. Okay. Okay, anyways. Oh, that's definitely ultra matte. Oh my god. Oh, that's ultra matte, ultra matte. For a fact. See me glancing right here? That's because I'm recording both on my studio lights and my iPhone. I decided to record it on both so you can see the difference between the lighting, so you can really see what the makeup looks like, not only on, you know, artificial lighting, but with no filter and with no editing and with nothing on it. So I did my face at about 5. I started doing my face at about 4 p.m. I finished at about 5:36 p.m. and I've had my face, the same face, on since then. It is 1:15, I believe. Last time I checked, it was 1:15. And as you guys saw in the beginning, I only used the oil and the Mario Badescu, and that was literally the only thing I put on my face besides my regular, you know, facial moisturizer that I can put down below if you want. But other than that, I didn't use anything on my face, and you can tell from both angles that my face is still beat. It is literally 1 p.m. You can see the highlight. I don't know if you can see the highlight on there. You can see the highlight is still going on. Literally nothing has moved. I don't even think my contour has moved, and I didn't even set it. Y'all can tell. You can see. And this is Snap. This is no filter on Snapchat, and that's my box. Look at that. No filter on Snapchat. I want y'all to see. No filter on Snapchat. I want you to see what's really good. Y'all see my face? Do y'all see my face? I'm not going back. When it says luminous, it says luminous. Luminous. And that's not oil. That's literal illumination. Illumination right there. I'm trying to tell y'all. So, overall, I give it 10 out of 10 easily. Easily.
Shower blessings on me. Blessings on me. Yo, yo. I want to, I'm a hammer. I want to spoil my mother.
Whew. Chile. I'm so thirsty. Okay.